Welcome to Unit 11, folks. We are going to be working with color in InDesign. Within InDesign, this particular unit, of course, follow your instructions. Start here. We're going to be creating a unified color theme, continuing to develop our infographic by establishing a rough draft. Again, these can be very rough. They will be due next week at the end of Unit 12. And what you'll do is you'll start with your instructions. You want to follow the tutorial. This tutorial brings you to InDesign's Help X. And it is a step-by-step. Unfortunately, it is not a video-based one. I really dislike that they don't have that for this one, but obviously they have the files. I provided the files for you within the unit. And you may want to print these out step by step for this week, or just have it available on a different device because it's hard to bounce back and forth. Move through that tutorial. And here are the same files that you can find at this tutorial. I also provide them for you in the unit. Once you're done with that, go ahead and submit them here under Unit 11 exercise, color themes. And then this should really be a good backup as well when you're building your color themes for your infographic design. You really want to pull from some of what you're learning in that tutorial, allowing for bright vector colors within your infographic. I'm going to also maybe post some examples. I came across some other good examples as I provided for you last week. I know Unit 10, there are some infographic inspiration. If you're feeling lost, again, review that. But I look forward to seeing what you guys have to post within the forum. This unit, make sure that you're moving forward with that and I see some progression. Okay, have a great week. Make sure it's productive. Come see me if you have questions.